Here's a video and pictures of what happened when we hit a 600-pound elk. He says the elk broke my steering gear and jammed the steering wheel to the left. I couldn't correct. We went into a ditch between the northbound and southbound lanes at 70 miles an hour. My load shifted and we rolled.
So what happened is the tow guy told us that when I hit the elk, I didn't have any kind of steering control, and that's why I wasn't able to correct. But here it is, man. I was right there. This is crazy. This makes So the elk broke the steering gear, man.
What's going on, Mutha truckers? So if you have a video, a dash cam, or a story or a picture that you want to share that can help other truck drivers, email me at theasianmyshow@gmail.com or reach out to us on any platform at the Asian My Show. So, we have a subscriber. I'm just going to leave his name anonymous because, this is a very particular situation. Basically, the other week I made a video about a truck driver that swerved out of the way for a raccoon, and he ended up hitting like 4 passenger cars and hitting a building. So he got fired, and it could have been really bad. So I told people, look, you should just drive straight if possible. So this mother trucker right here, thank you so much. But basically what happened to him was he hit a 600-pound elk. And I mean, that's crazy to me. He emails me and he writes, so our subscriber emails us and it says, hey, Alex, love the show. I saw a recent video of a guy swerving from hitting a raccoon. In the comment section, I posted, you have to hit it square on if you're going to hit a large animal. Here's a video and pictures of what happened when we hit a 600-pound elk. He says the elk broke my steering gear and jammed the steering wheel to the left. I couldn't correct. We went into a ditch between the northbound and southbound lanes at 70 miles an hour. My load shifted and we rolled. Thank God we rolled. We were going head on into another truck. That is so crazy. I'm so glad that, you guys are okay. But, he was driving with a teammate, and that could be so dangerous. And he goes, thank God we rolled. And if you're going to use the video, please, let me see this. And then he states, the only reason I'm alive is because I saw it coming and slipped my seat belt and ducked to the right when the whole cab came in where my head was. My partner was in the sleeper at the time, and because we listened to our trainer, he was using his bunk restraint. So, mother truckers, this is extremely great information for all truck drivers out there. Doing some team driving and one is driving, definitely the other one, if you can, be on the bottom bunk, and with that, put on the restraints, because if he didn't have that on, he could have lost his life.